not so good here. It is raining cats and dogs. Jesus. Can't pick up. It's raining cats and dogs. Well, you know what? Not stopping your freight from going out today. No rain will stop your freight from going out, buddy. We're packing up your freights. All of your freight. Going out the door. Let me hurry and wrap up for the pickup. You know what, man? I tell us how you're here.
This is the access road to the office, and as you can see, vehicles, we can't get past. Water, everything just jam up right here, and it gets worse as you get further down because there are 3 cars stuck in the intersection, and everybody who's driving there on this side, they're gonna have to turn back. They don't realize that their car's stuck. So, all right. So down there, you can see that's where the problem lies. It gets deeper down further. So everybody who's going down there now have to turn around.